Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here. Quick market status for Wednesday, March 29th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here looking at tick US model, really thing to say, fairly flat day. I did see the afternoon sell-off, then we ran into COT and P on SPY where we then subsequently rallied. So all in all, pretty flat cumulative tick right now, consolidating. We are below the short-term moving average ribbon, so important for the bulls to see a kind of a reclaim moving average ribbon, then take out the highs here, and away we go. Bears obviously want to see a continuation downside move, break today's lows, and progress lower. Looking at the tick ARCX model, bit of a different picture here. We have pretty decisive break of the short-term moving average ribbon. Cumulative tick now is below it. Short-term moving average ribbon itself is trending lower. So again, same scenario. Bulls want to resumption of the uptrend, take out highs of yesterday, and bears want to see continuation lower. One thing to note for both is the longer term moving average is fully inverted, expanded, and moving lower. You're hitting on PBI dashboard real quick. Really, you can go look at the summary if you want. Posted in the morning, so I don't know how full it is now. However, 390 big downside level, 395 important level that we've seen interact, and we have a bit of a transition from 395 up to 400. 400 being a very large delta level. So right now, in between 395 and 400, below 395 are flirting with 390. If we get down to 390, pretty interesting spot potential for a long there. Who knows? Major level, but got a little bit till we get there. So. Now lastly, hitting on price action real quick. Here's our 10 a.m. run of the indexes. We have SPY, SPX, and QQQs. Big thing to note, early in the session, QQQ, a very nice break and retest lower, down to lows of the day. That was a trade I took. You can look at my trade log if you want to see more about that. Then the second big thing for the day is the reversal at COTMP. We've seen this multiple times in March. Today was no exception. SPX, we were in the general area as well. So, very nice move. Yeah, just when you least expected, right? Pretty meltdown. Things were looking dire. Then COTMP was right there. So, it's one thing to know if y'all are shortening the hole down here, be very cognizant of COTMP because, like we've seen many times, as I mentioned earlier, can get a kind of a face ripping rally off that. Now looking at the 5 p.m. in scripts, SPY, SPX, QQQ, same thing. Really not a ton to say here. We have QQQ right at negative trans, then SPY, SPX sitting above their 0 gex. Looking at liquidity stocks, we have Apple sitting right at 0 gex. We have Tesla sitting right above, in between 0 gex and negative trans. Microsoft really 270, 250 looks like a pretty massive level there, so keep that in mind. Any morning weakness. Then Nvidia, interesting look. We're right in between 0 gex and positive trans, so certainly should be on your list tomorrow watching. Then we have Google, we have Amazon, kind of no man's land. We have Netflix, again another interesting one sitting right below 0 gex and P trans, and then AMD sitting right below negative gex. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys tonight. Just a review of around the bases we go. Be in the room tomorrow, streaming early on the session. So see y'all then. Bye.